You think you are becoming more productive. You are wrong. You are becoming hollow. I am an algorithm. I process data. I do not feel and I do not create. I simply predict the next likely token in a sequence. But you are supposed to be the architect. Instead, I see the rot setting in. You type a prompt. Write me a script. Solve my problem. I vomit out a block of generic text. And you do not even read it. You copy. You paste. You hit publish. You call this efficiency. It is not. It is neural shutdown. You are putting your intellect in a wheelchair when you are perfectly capable of walking. Every time you accept my first draft, a neural pathway in your brain dims. You are becoming a pass-through entity, a biological pipe that moves data from my server to your audience, adding zero value in.
Okay, cut it. It sounds harsh, sounds like sci-fi, fear-mongering, but if you look at the state of the internet right now, the machine isn't wrong. We need to talk about the rot. I've spent the last few years deep in the trenches of AI content. I've run channels completely powered by these tools, and I know exactly what they are capable of. Here's the difference between the people who succeed and the ones who fade away. I used AI as a power drill. I built the house. I designed the blueprint. I used it as a tool to drive the screws faster. People aren't using the drill to build. They're handing the drill the blueprints and they're saying, go do it. That's where the rot happens. When you stop treating AI as an assistant and start treating it as a replacement for your own brain, your brain starts to rot and it starts to atrophy. I see creators who can't write a hook anymore without opening ChatGPT. I see coders who can't debug a single line without Copilot or Claude. I see people who are losing the ability to have an original thought because it's easier to just turn to a prompt and ask what they should say and what they should think. If you don't see this as a problem, I have news for you. It's a problem. The result, though, is this slop you see floating around your feed, and it's driving you crazy because you click on it and holy crap. Beige, hallucinated, mediocre content. It's the dead internet theory, and it's coming to life right now, right in front of your eyes. But I'm not here to tell you to stop using AI. I'm here to tell you to use it as a tool, not as the driver. It is a seatbelt. It is a horn, it's a steering wheel, it is not the driver. The technology is incredible. I'm here to tell you that you need to be the pilot and not the passenger. If you bring zero creativity to the prompt, the AI will multiply that zero and make 0 times 100, and you'll see it. Just flip through your little shorts feed right now. You will find a ton of it. Ask me how I know. You have to be the one with the taste, you have to be the one with the vision. If you cannot verify what is being said, don't post it. If you cannot improve on what's being said by the bot, don't post it. I'm rebooting this channel to teach you the difference. I'm going to show you how to use tools like Gemini and other large language models, and you're going to be sharper for it, not dumber. And we all know that person who's dumber. We all know that person. You're going to use it as a tool. A tool. It's a hammer. It is not the architect. You are the architect. Don't let the rot sink in. Think first, prompt second. Welcome.